What's up guys, welcome back. Today we're on to attempt number 3 of the FPV speed running challenge, and this time the car's had a little upgrade. Before we jump into today's run, here's a quick recap of the first 2 attempts. Attempt 1 was really just testing the waters. I picked a poor location and with a road that looked fine at first, but it turned out to be way too bumpy. At high speeds, that was a recipe for disaster, and sure enough, the car launched, bounced and went tumbling down the road.
Fuck.
When I went into attempt 2, things got much better. I moved to a smoother, wider location and upgraded from 4S LiPo to 6S LiPo power, which instantly gave us a lot more speed. The only downside was the gearing. I wanted to run a 22 tooth pinion, but the grub screw on my other RC car had completely rounded off, so I couldn't swap it over. Even with that setback, attempt 2 showed major improvement and set the stage for today's run. So, still on the same belted tyres, we're still running on 6S power. I've swapped in a new 25 tooth high speed pinion gear, so I'm really hoping this setup gives us some serious top end speed today. There are some aspects that I need to change, such as I'm still running adapters, connector adapters. That'll be causing a bottleneck for the power. I've been using these GXF batteries for the best part of a year now, so they're not in the best of health. One thing though, the sun is super low at the moment, so I'm actually going to be running the car in the opposite direction today to avoid glare through the FPV camera. Alright then, let's get into it. First pass of the day, 70 miles an hour, that's pretty decent. My current PB is 71, so we're nearly there. Okay, pass number 2, let's do it. I was a little bit all over the roads. I'm going to try and keep her in a straighter line on the next run. From what I've heard, steering too much will increase the amperage, which decreases the voltage, which will result in slower speeds. So we're going to try and keep her as straight as possible with minimal steering input. Car's pulling hard. Woo, there we go, 72 miles an hour. Nice improvement, nice improvement. That is my current PB, but I think she's got more in her, so let's keep on pushing. Let's try for another 3rd pass. Okay, pass number 3, let's do it. This one feels really quick. Woohoo! Look at that, 73 miles an hour. New personal best, and I'm a little bit closer to my goal of 100 miles an hour. As good as 73 is for me, and I'm very happy with that speed, I do think she's got more in her. Okay, let's go for another pass. Doesn't quite feel as fast this time. I think the batteries might be beginning to fade. And there was no speed increase on this run at all. I think the batteries may be beginning to fade now. Despite that though, we're here now. I want to have another run. Let's go for it. Let's have some fun. One more pass. Whoa! Woo! Jesus, I did not expect that. That came out of nowhere. I don't even think I was going that fast. I don't know if there's no winds today. Maybe a freak gust of wind caught underneath. I'm not sure what happened there. She just went flying. So yeah, bit of road rash, but overall the car's fine. And we walked away with a new PB, 73 miles an hour. I'm pretty happy with that. If you enjoyed the run, hit like, subscribe, and stick around for more FPV speedrun content coming very soon. Thank you for watching, it is much appreciated, and I'll see you in the next one.